Hi, I'm Roy Farmer, founder of Carlton Billiards. I want to tell you a story about Carlton Billiards and my history of this game. As a young guy, I couldn't wait to get tall enough to be able to play pool against my family. And it seemed to take forever to get to that age where I was tall enough to play. But when I finally got on the pool table and my dad taught me how to play pool, I would practice a lot. And then when Dad got home, I couldn't wait to play him, to try to win, to try to beat him at the game. And you know what? I never did. He always beat me. But it didn't stop me having fun and enjoying myself. And now, you know, many years later, here I am, the founder of this great company, Carlton Billiards, where we design pool tables here in Detroit. They're manufactured by hand, solid wood tables with 1-inch thick slate. They're designed to go in homes and in basements for families all around the country. The other thing we do at Carlton Billiards is we create matching pool tables in both 7 and 8 foot size. We have shuffleboard tables that are also available to go with the pool table, which is another great family game that I really enjoy with my family now. As well as table tennis tables, the ping pong tops, the accessories like the spectator chair here, and some cue racks. So there's a lot of accessories and game room pieces that go with this product. All quality stuff that's going to last for a long time for you to pass it down to your family, to your kids. And I can tell you, now that the enjoyment for me has come back, and while I've taught my kids how to play pool, I really enjoy when I take them back to see their grandfather, to watch them get beaten just like I did.